Ever tried every serum and cleanser out there, but your skin still rebels? The real fix might be in your gut. Let's talk about the gut-skin axis, this incredible connection between your digestion and your glow. Your gut is buzzing with trillions of microbes, bacteria, fungi, forming your microbiome. They don't just digest food, they balance your immune system, fight inflammation body-wide, including your skin. Balanced gut, radiant skin. Dysbiosis, breakouts, flares, dullness. Watch for these signs. Stubborn acne along jaw and cheeks, unresponsive to topicals. Eczema or psoriasis, spiking with gut issues or stress. Chronically tired skin. Rosacea, linked to SIBO. Puffiness without obvious cause. Science simply? Leaky gut lets toxins into blood, igniting inflammation. Skin shows it first. Gut bugs regulate cortisol, helping skin weather stress without oil surges or aging. They absorb skin heroes, zinc, vitamin C, E, omegas for repair and protection. Bonus, they produce B vitamins like biotin for that healthy sheen. Action time. Add fermented foods daily. Yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, kombucha to boost good bacteria. Feed them prebiotics, garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, oats. Diverse fibers are microbiome gold. Ease off irritants, processed foods, excess alcohol, sugars, fake sweeteners. Grab a quality probiotic, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, Bifidobacterium longum, multistrain, 10B+ CFU. Tame stress. It wrecks gut fast. Move, sleep well, mindfulness. Hydrate. Half your body weight in ounces of water daily. It's personal. Team up with derm and dietitian for tough cases. Bottom line, skincare's half the battle. Gut love builds true glow. Start simple. Fermented daily, more fiber. In 30 days, thank me or your gut.